cold start up of an F18. Right click on battery on. Right click on APU on. Hit some of your screens, go to day on the right screen, turn up the brightness and the number of your displays, bit of internal lighting for when that hits off. We go radar operational and INS to ground. APU is ready. I'm going to right click for the right engine, wait for the RPMs to come to 20, then I'm going to lift the throttle detent over the edge. Thing. There you go. Popped it over, and you get temperature rising, and the engine will spool up. Control C is close the canopy. Put your arm seat. So that's good. That's coming to stable now. Stability. Then go left click for the left engine crank. You'll see the RPM going up there. Again, once it gets to 20. Lift the left throttle over the detent. Now, I then link the two together on the actual Warthog. If you fly over 10,000, you want to go, oh my god, no bogs. Wait for stability here, left engine spooling. That'll do. And then on the right screen, hit the soft key next to FCS MC, and then hold the Y key down on your keyboard and hit the FCS again to take it to in test mode. It'll go, in test. Then after about 5-6 seconds, it'll go. When it beeps, that means you can then stabilize hit. Beep. Go. Hit the FCS reset. Trim for takeoff. Brake off. Get some landing lights on because we like that. Give it a bit of throttle. Off she rolls. Cold start.